All right, guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. Today I'll be giving us news that is going on in the crypto space. But first, let's look at the current airdrops that are happening in the market. This is not the current. I'm going to refresh so you see the current one. But what caught my attention is how this coin had 3.4 million people, participating in the airdrop. That's some huge community right there. You don't know what airdrop is? Airdrop is just a way of new projects or cryptocurrencies giving out some free crypto. Yep. And back in the days, I used to participate in a lot of airdrops. And the issue with airdrops is that you can participate in like 2,000 and only like 2 or 3, 1% or less than 1% of them would actually give you real returns. Anyways, moving forward, let's refresh the page and see the latest. Okay, it's still number one. All right, that's fine. So let's look at the markets and see the prices, what's going on in the market. So Bitcoin is still around $48,000. Just in case you think the price of Bitcoin has crashed, remember Bitcoin was less than $1 in 2009. So it just become Bitcoin. Ethereum is a little bit less than $3,000, and Binance Coin is at $530. So let's look at the charts. I'm a trader also, just in case you want to learn how to trade. So we have the link to our academy in the description below. Just check the link and you'll be able to join our academy quickly. All right, for those that are in our Telegram or WhatsApp signal group, where we've already discussed how the chart is moving. Bitcoin has been moving sideways within this, where is it? What am I looking for? Yeah, that's moving sideways within this region. Right, and we're expecting a breakout because it has really maintained this support right here. Let me see if I can show you guys in the Telegram group. All right, so this was when we made the analysis. What date is this? This is 17th. Let me put it down a little bit. So this is, you can see the date on the top there. This is December 17th. We wrote, see the number of times this support held in the circled part. If you count the circles, it's about 9. So 46,800 and 47,000 is all-time support. Except we have a new bad news, then market is supposed to go back up. So this was when we did the analysis since 17. So let's go back to the chart. Okay, 17th is around this day, right? So this was where we called the bottom, although we've been trading from here, but we further confirmed that it's not going to go lower than this. And the only thing that would make Bitcoin go lower than this is if we have a new bad news, right? That's when the price will drop up to 42. And once it gets up to 42, the speed at which it will come back up will be way faster. Will be extremely fast, right? Because the support here is really strong. So I expect the market to go sideways maybe 1 or 2 days more or less, and then push back up to 50, and we'll now maintain the support a little bit before we get to $100,000. All right, so we'll spend 3 minutes analyzing that. So if you want to learn how to trade, you want to join our Telegram trading channel or WhatsApp trading channel, feel free to take our course right here, this course. And then you'll be able to get up to speed real fast. And if you want to learn how to program, so you take this course, right? I've spent so much time on here already. So let's check out the news. We're going through the news we missed. So crypto salaries are becoming a popular way to attract a young talent, right? Well, one of the reasons why I love accepting cryptocurrency as payment is because, the protocols are just way less. To open a crypto account is super easy, right? And sending crypto is super fast. Cross border is super fast compared to, the banking sector we have, right? And if you receive your cryptocurrency, your salaries when the market is down, right? Just say maybe you get paid in Bitcoin when the market is down. You should make extra profits when the market comes back up, and of course you will lose some more when it goes down. That is why most of us prefer to receive our salaries in USDT or pay or whatever service we render. Anyways, this is going to be the trend, and we've seen different state governors around the world say they want to start receiving their salaries in crypto. Moving on. FOMO will drive crypto adoption in 2022, says BlockFi, and I greatly support this news because this is, of course, this is the end of the year and people would like to make some sell off to take some profit so that they can say they achieved something to in 2021. 2022 we might experience one or two crash around between December, which is December, and January, February. But if that doesn't happen, because there's this normal New Year fear that the whole market used to have because of China. But if that doesn't happen, we should see. I hope the market has matured, right? Or if that doesn't happen, they will see some huge spike between January and February, up to like $60,000. Moving on. Blockchain startup sues Brian Armstrong for allegedly stealing its work. Okay, I'm not going to spend much time on this because I'll tell you why for another reason. Moving on. Dormant Bitcoin wallet holding 321 BTC activated after 8 years. Right. So people use this kind of news most times to scare people in the markets, make people think, okay, because the wallet is holding so much Bitcoin and it's now moving for the first time, the person might likely sell off the Bitcoin, which would definitely bring down the prices. Right. So I try as much as I can to avoid news like this because people use this, most especially media. The media controls the market. Also, just in case you're not aware, try to use this to manipulate the market. So moving on to some more news. Bank of Russia to allow crypto investment via foreign firms. I'm going to read that again just in case you didn't get it. Bank of Russia. Now, remember several months or several years back, right? We had, several banks, saying that, hey, crypto is a scam, crypto is this, crypto is that, crypto is fraudulent, crypto is fraud, and some banks, especially banks in Africa, they'll try to close your bank account if you try to make crypto transaction with your bank. You see, so they first start by ignoring crypto, and then they started by saying, hey, it's a scam, and then and now most of them are using the threat method, trying to threaten you. If you use it, we'll close your account. The next step for them is going to be the step at which they'll be like, hey, you know what, we can't stop this thing, we've tried, we can't kill it, we've tried, we just have to embrace it. And every bank in the world is going to tell you you can store your crypto on our platform, and that's going to be the case, and that's just what this news is all about. All right, so to some more beautiful Christmas news. El Salvador is a country, right? El Salvador actually became really, really popular, most especially to me after they started buying Bitcoin. So El Salvador as a country actually bought 21 Bitcoin to celebrate December 21st, right? And the president of El Salvador is actually a very young guy, and I believe that's one of the reasons why this is going on, because the millennials will think differently. Anyways, that's the El Salvador news. Just in case you are close to the government of your country, you need to give them this news for them to see what other presidents doing. Okay, let's go over to China. China state-run news agency to launch NFT collection. Okay, NFT, for those of you just joining us for the first time, NFT is a crypto format of media. So let's say you have a song, you have a picture, you have a video, you can change it to an NFT. So it's just a crypto format or should I say is media made crypto, or media turned into crypto. That's just what NFT is all about. And the amazing news here is that a Chinese-based agency is going to launch their own crypto, their own NFT, right? And for them to launch it now, meaning you're still early, you won't start going into NFT, this is the time, because if this is the period when they are launching, they expect to make profits, to make sales by next year. So that means by next year, the publicity and intensity and wealth creation in NFT is going to be way bigger, right? So let's go to some other news. Opera to integrate with Polygon, opening dApp ecosystem to 80 million users. So Opera is a web browser, right? And it's been around for years. And I assume this means they have 80 million users. So Opera is trying to come back into the market, by coming through the crypto world, because there are lots of millions of people that use crypto around the world, and to integrate to Polygon. I think, if I can remember correctly, Polygon is a scaling solution for Ethereum. I hope I'm correct. Yeah, this is an Ethereum scaling solution such as Polygon have become vital in recent years. Anyways, that's the news right here. That means in a couple of months or years, you'll be able to make crypto transactions via the browser. I need to close my Telegram right now because of the whole noise. Excuse me, sorry. So to some other interesting news in Pakistan. Pakistan have $20 billion in crypto assets, says head of local association, right? All right, let's check out the news. Nasir Hayat Magoon, the president of the Federation of Pakistan Chambers of Commerce and Industry, has stated that the Pakistan citizens have a combined Pakistan citizens. Does that mean the government bought it for the people? Anyways, during a news conference, the FPCCI president said that Pakistan's digital currency violations are based on the chamber's research paper as per local reports. He urged the government to implement a cryptocurrency policy, pointing out that India has implemented one already. This is what I expect countries around the world to do, most especially Nigerian government. You try to ban cryptocurrency and it's not working. Set up a policy, because we know all you need is a way to tax and make money for yourself. I hope the Pakistani government listen to this advice and just set up a policy, and then let crypto just be. All right. Moving to some other news. Do we have any other news? I think that's about all we have for you guys today. All right. Please do make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video, because the last couple of months or weeks has been terribly busy for me, and that is why my video has been inconsistent. So working on a lot of things. Most especially, working with the Haglex team to make sure the Haglex wallet is good and well secured for users to use, and that has taken a whole lot of my time, and we have a timeline of about 2-3 weeks to complete everything that needs to be completed, and then I'm gonna resume making videos at least 2-3 times a day. Right. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. Please do make sure to subscribe to the channel and subscribe to the channel and like the video. All right, Merry Christmas. See ya.